In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to cut or clip an image in Inkscape. Whether you need to crop photos into custom shapes or slice vectors into smaller pieces, this method is essential for any designer's workflow. Mastering these tools will save you so much time when preparing graphics for your projects. If these tips help you out, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more design tutorials. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up your workspace. Open Inkscape and import your image by going to File, choosing Import, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I. Once your image is imported, we need to define our cutting shape. You can use any shape you like, such as a circle, rectangle, or even a custom path using the Bezier tool. Place your shape directly over the part of the image you want to keep. Remember, your cutting shape must be at the very top of the Z order. If it is sitting behind your image, just select the shape and tap the Home key on your keyboard to bring it to the very front. To perform the clip, use your Selection tool by pressing S, click your shape, hold down the Shift key, and then click the image underneath. With both selected, go to Object, hover over Clip, and select Set. Even faster, you can just use the shortcut Ctrl+M to apply the clip instantly. This is a non-destructive method, meaning the hidden parts of your image are still there. If you need to refine the cut, double-click the image to reposition it within the frame. If you ever need to revert the changes, go to Object, Clip, and select Release, or use the shortcut Alt+M. Now, what if you actually need to physically slice an image into distinct pieces? This is known as a destructive cut. If you are working with vector paths, draw a line across the object using the Bezier tool. Press B on your keyboard. Then select both items. Go to Path and select Division, or press Ctrl+//. This splits your vector into separate objects. For raster images, if you need them divided, you can look for the razor extension, though the clipping method is usually much safer and more professional for most design needs. You can also clip entire groups of objects by selecting them all and pressing Ctrl+G to group them before applying your clip. It really is that easy to manage your image compositions in Inkscape. If this video helped you improve your design skills, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more future tutorials. See you in the next one.